Choose me, so I need to choose me. Choose me. So I need to choose me. Choose me. Feeling it down, and I don't wanna lose me. So I need to choose me. I was trying to forget you, staying sober, feeling numb, seeing you in empty spaces, silence. I've let you cross me. My mind shuts down and I can't compete. My body's shaking and I'm scared to say just how I feel. Gotta turn on that noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, 'cause if you won't listen, I might just have to go. I want to leave this all behind. Can we close this door for peace of mind? 'Cause I'm not the one to scream and shout, and you don't want to talk this out. And I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me. Choose me. So I need to choose me. Choose me. Feeling it down. Tell you the truth. Your talk is cheap, but your words cut deep. Don't you understand that you're bringing me down till I'm stuck on the ground? I need to turn on the noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, can this be different? Or should I let this go? I want to leave this all behind. Can we close this door for peace of mind? 'Cause I'm not the one to scream and shout, and you don't want to talk this out. And I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me. Choose me. So I need to choose me. Choose me. Feeling it down, and I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me. I was trying to forget you, staying sober, feeling numb. I've let you cross me. My mind shuts down and I can't compete. My body's shaking and I'm scared to say just how I feel. Gotta turn on that noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, 'cause if you won't listen, I might just have to go. I want to leave this all behind. Can we close this door for peace of mind? 'Cause I'm not the one to scream and shout, and you don't want to talk this out. And I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me. Choose me. So I need to choose me. Choose me. Feeling it down. Tell you the truth. Your talk is cheap, but your words cut deep. Don't you understand that you're bringing me down till I'm stuck on the ground. I need to turn on the noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, can this be different? Or should I let this go? I want to leave this all behind. Can we close this door for peace of mind? 'Cause I'm not the one to scream and shout, and you don't want to talk this out. And I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me. Choose me. So I need to choose me. Choose me. I really need to, and I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me.
If you want to learn more how to trade, so how to read charts, paano malaman ang rotation, you are invited to join our masterclass natin on YC versus PH. We will run an 8-week session coming from basics to advanced session and the techniques that we have personally developed and long-term investing principles behind.
Hello guys, good evening everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in to Wise Investors PH Live Trading. This is John, your host for tonight. Of course, ako lang palagi, no? Sana may pwede mag-replace din sa akin, no? Mga coach. Alright, let me reshare my screen para makita natin kung may audio. Let me double check if I'm already very clear on my audio there. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Grabe init na pala ng lights ko ngayon. Hinaan natin ng konti. Ayan. Ayan. Makita ng Ayan, alright. Alright, there we go. So magandang gabi. Again. Magandang gabi dyan. First, Mark Lennon De Rosal. Thank you so much for being the first to log in for tonight. Yan, A. Mart Salazar, magandang gabi. Zirilik Ibanez, magandang gabi din as well. Good evening, Alea, Kayanan, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. It's 9 o'clock in the evening, very, very sharp. We're started on time. I'm very excited also to really go live tonight and attack where the market is going, you know, galing. Even busy ka sa trabaho, ang ganda dyan, the Izanagi bot is still giving us a lot of profit every day. So if you're not yet subscribed to our elite play, ang ating Izanagi, please do so. Yan, sayang, strike while the iron is hot, definitely, no? Maganda gabi din dyan, Jemar Paberosio Maldia. Yan. Welcome also to Masterclass Link Batch. I'm very excited for the new batch and last batch of the year. Sobrang excited po ako sa inyo, for everyone. You also are invited also to join the Cardano batch this coming Saturday, yung last topic natin. Bubuunin din natin yung mga elite members in just this Saturday. We're gonna prepare you guys for your graduation, prepare the new batch, and our elite members for our long-term investing strategies. Okay, there you go. Let's get to it. It's please do share this live on your friends. Go Trade, eToro, Forex, pwede natin yan, even PSE. Pinya natin yan. Honestly, galing nga kanina yung all day sa PSE, talagang hindi mo maasan yung kandila, hindi mo alam nasaan eh. Ayun eh, yung kandila ng PSE. So parang, parang 5 minutes lang yata to eh. Diretso ceiling opening. So yung mga kumuha ng IPO nito, congratulations, grabe on the dot. Diretso ceiling with 1.4 billion pre-bid. So, sayang, hindi ako nabigyan. Pumila ako dyan. Instant 25,000. Sana lang yung 20,000 sa all day. Kasi magkano bang market cap nito? Wala pa, di pa nilabas eh. But definitely, that's one, no? Ano yun natin? Pwede natin pag-usapan yan yung mga IPO, paano siya tinitrade, no? Definitely. Alright, so again, let's go to the market directly. It's 9 o'clock. Then, index tayo. Then we go to diretso tayo to the index, crypto for the next 30 minutes. Ang daming action sa crypto as well. Ang sarap din mag-trade. Talagang kailangan mo upuan at i-trade siya ng i-trade eh. Yung maganda doon. Definitely, no? Alright, so tingnan natin where's the market right now. The market is hitting my resistance. Yung nakita ko yung blue line. Ayan, it's my resistance there. Talagang tinatamaan niya. But, I'm not gonna unfazed with that, no? Hindi ko yan papansinin kasi honestly, it's the market is really driving momentum. And take note, may meeting ang Fed regarding ito, may nakita ko dito, pakita ko sa inyo, no? May meeting ang Fed this coming Friday. So very, very volatile week tayo ahead. Let's ride that volatility kung titignan nyo. This Wednesday, tonight, tingnan natin. So, interest hike, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Kinuwento na natin to even on the masterclass. Most hike next year is very unlikely. So, ayaw pa talaga nilang i-pause, no? Talagang habang hindi pa nagpo-full recovered, wag muna natin i-pause. So, tingnan natin yung mga market signs nito, no? Isa din yan na maganda. And definitely, the market is on the topish already. Medyo hindi ko honestly yun yung pangit din na pag di ka take profit talagang pag bumagsak yung account, babagsak din talaga lahat. Kasi sabay-sabay naman sila. But definitely, very, very momentum. I'm gonna hold on to that. Again, my goal is as long as this area is holding, or even the MI20 is holding, I may not take profit for now. I'm gonna hold it until the year. So, may makatlos man, palitan ko lang. So, or hindi na ako naglagay ng trail eh. Magta-trail ako pag nag-20 na to eh. So, para to ride really the full trend of the current condition ng market ngayon. So, ngayon, topics tayo ngayon. Would I recommend to buy for tonight? medyo into the take profit zone tayo for this Wednesday. Medyo magkakaroon ng konting shakeout yan Thursday, Friday, psychology-wise. The market does not like uncertainties in general. No, kung titingnan natin ng tech stocks hindi nagpapaano, no, ang our Nasdaq, no, is really driving momentum very very good in terms of the momentum, but the volume usually is not. My initial TP here, medyo magbabawas ang malaki was around this area. Pag-uusapan din natin yan for our topic tonight. As an investor, how can you take profit? No? Isa rin yan. At the same time, pag-usapan din natin, pati papatingin natin yung account natin regarding the 90% win rate trade calls need Elite Club. Isa rin yun sa pag-usapan natin tonight. So, ayan. Let's go directly to our Bitcoin. So, let's go to the chat box. Magandang gabi din dyan, Gian. Definitely, thank you so much for tuning in. Please share this live, no? Please share this live. Alright, so definitely, itong din natin. Bitcoin. Ba't ang dami kong definitely sinabi tonight? Bitcoin, in general. Tingnan natin si Bitcoin. Where's Bitcoin right now? Bitcoin is consolidating. I'm definitely, bilangin nyo ha, yung definitely ko. So, for Bitcoin, I'm bullish trend pa din. Still intact on the 59,000 level. Consolidation, possible hitting our trend midterm trend line there, midterm trend line. Saka to mag-react. If magkaroon ng breakout, we can expect a resistance of 70,000. For now, wala talaga muna. Hindi muna tayo. Kung gusto niyo mamili bet, definitely dito lang. Yan, sa baba lang nito. Another definitely. Okay, dito tayo, titingin tayo dyan. Wag nating habulin. Kasi, medyo supply zone tong area nito eh. Ibig sabihin kasi ng supply zone, guys, may mga bumili dyan sa tuktok na yan, no? May gustong kumawala. Okay? Kaya na mga nagse-selling panic. And at the same time, yung mga bumili dito, possible mag-take profit yan somewhere else. So, parang makikita mo yan, makikita mo dyan is, ito yung mga areas sa possible talaga to magbentahan yung mga tao. If makalabas siya sa area na yan, most likely, medyo maluwag na ulit yung Bitcoin. Tingnan natin on our other indicators. Lagay tayo itsumo ko dito. Honestly, di ko na lagyan ng chum. Di na pala pwede. So, tingin ko na above the cloud pa naman yan. Very, very bullish pa din si Bitcoin in general. So, definitely, wag muna tayong mamimili. Wag muna talaga. Ano ba nangyari sa definitely? Ano bang kinain yan? So, kung mabinili English na yan. Okay, so for now, wag muna tayo. Tingnan muna natin how the market will react. It's sitting on the resistance. Major resistance yan. Kung wala ka pang biniling Bitcoin, wag mo munang pansin. Let's go to my second favorite, Ethereum. For our Ethereum, ang ganda ng Ethereum kasi it's holding the all-time high. Very, very bullish for Ethereum. Isang napakagandang trend what Ethereum is giving us. Trend angle is still also good. Napakaganda. So, what we're gonna do here, if it's gonna retest on this area, and then price action-wise, biglang inangat ulit dito, we can add additional buy. If may position ka below. Titingnan natin dito kung magkakaroon niya ng another consolidation here, tapos mag-retouch siya ng price action, mag-support, pwede tayong magdagdag. So, dagdag tayo habang very, very bullish sila. And your moving average 20-50 is all intact together. So, isa yan sa mga aabangan natin na mga malakas sa crypto market. If you have following other crypto coins, please type in on the chat box. Thank you so much, Dan sharing. Yan, thank you. Yan. So, another favorite that I'm always monitoring on the crypto world is Binance. Is the same. Is the second one. Why? Because Binance USD. Yeah, Binance USD is where? Here it is. There you go. So, because of also the structure. Ang ganda ng structure. Sobrang ganda ng structure niya. Momentum-wise, look at that. Rejection there. Isa lang ang nakikita ko dito. May namumuong supply area dito. May nagustong kumawala dito somewhere here. So, tingnan natin. But still momentum. Ang lakas pa din niya. This is now our demand zone kasi tinagos na niya, no? Okay, tinagos na niya. Tingnan natin kung mag-hold itong area na to. If mag-hold tong area na to, I'm gonna hold it as well. O, ito yung sa ano ko, ito yung second largest right? Second largest, right? Second largest. Uy, good news, XRP. Na, diretso tayo kay XRP. XRP is made the very, very clear breakout pero binentahan no? Ba't kaya, no? Isang very clear breakout. Ito yung titingnan natin dito for XRP, guys. Ito yan, no? Since we still have 10 hours to go for XRP. Tingnan nyo na to kasi kaka-breakout lang. Ayan, oh, yun, no? Ay, nakita nyo 4-hour time frame? Yan, no? Okay? So, kung in this perspective, all the time, 4-hour time frame here, I'm not sure why, kung bakit ito umangat. Let me check the headlines. I think it's regarding about no, hindi hindi ko alam kung may SEC to na issue ba, I mean, SEC na resolution or ano, hindi ko alam. But, ang ganda ng technicals niya ngayon. Clear breakout. So, if wala ka pang XRP, it's already giving you an opportunity to enter as in for the next 30 minutes maybe do so. Tingnan natin. Okay, good. Sige. Good. Alright. Kung magkaroon to ng breakout on this area here ulit, pumuesto ka na. Pumuesto ka na for XRP. Kasi kaka-breakout lang nito. Ang titingnan mo lang dito is kailangan tagusin nyo dito today. Kailangan mag-trade above siya within this area here. Okay, kailangan. To, ayan. Lagyan natin ano. Ayan. End of day must close here. Ayan. On this level. So, kung nagkaroon to ng next green candle again on the next 30 minutes breaking on this area, pwede magdagdag. Pwede magdagdag. No? 30-minute time frame. If this area will close above this area, possible yan may follow-up bukas. Because on the 4-hour time frame, the previous resistance is acting as support already. Price action. So, ang ganda niya kasi pag palo, ibinalik, confirmation yan kung magkaroon ng follow-up on in the next hour or in the next 30 minutes. So, we can actually some potential here. Tingnan lang natin kung magso-suffice. I don't have money. I would like also to buy. But wala akong pera dyan. Okay, let's go to ADA. Let's go first to the top muna, no? Yung top ng mga holdings dyan. Mga top ng mga market cap. For ADA, ito yung ADA kasi. Ano siya maganda si ADA pero technical? Parang may ayang pakawalain dito. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyari nito. Very, very big resistance. Very, very big price action candle here. Tinagos na niya and everything. Alright. Tomorrow. Kung magkaroon to ng green candle tomorrow or even on the next 4-hour as well. On the next 4-hour, pwede po tayong magdagdag. Trend-wise, okay, we have a consolidation here. There's a spring pattern here. Then, try to break out. If magkaroon again ng green candle around this area here, on the next 4-hour, or it will close above this area level here, possible we can send sa follow-up. Tagusin tong supply zone na to. So, tingnan na rin ng ADA. But definitely, ang pinakagusto ko pa rin yung dalawa, yung Ethereum tsaka yung BNB sa trend nila. But isa rin to na dapat nating tingnan. No? There's a question here regarding bit. Asa isa? Ito. Pwede ba bumili kay BNB? Tingnan natin ulit kay BNB. Okay. For BNB, pwede bang bumili dito? Not yet. For BNB. Ito yung support. Ito yung previous resistance. Tingnan natin muna kung magkaroon ng price action within those levels. Kung mag-touch tayo ng support and retested, pwede, but not yet. Right now. Medyo, hintay na lang. Let's be patient. Mag-hit around this area. Or 517 can be a good test buy for Binance. No? Yan, mag-isang pwesto dyan. Let's go to Sol. Honestly, yung nasa top 10, ang lalakas din. Solana, USD. Okay, Solana. Ito, maganda rin si Solana. If you guys been following me, no? Dito pa lang pinabili ko na kayo. Ito, sabi ko, habulin nyo. So, you already enjoying the profits. So, ayan, nakita nyo, yung previous chart ko, there is a breakout here. There is a support area here. Then, created the higher lows, closing to the resistance with the volatility, no? And a contracting volatility. So, ang ganda na yung pinakita nito. If you bought here during the live, please type ako or number 8 on the chat box. So kung bibili ngayon ka palang bibili, let's check it out. Okay, pwede on a breakout with a tight cut loss. Ayan. You must have around 11% or most likely mga 13% risk because nagpapakita siya ng momentum. If you're a momentum, gusto mo siyang momentum nito, definitely you can add if you have a good base. Opportunity to add because there is a clear breakout. There is a clear breakout today. Okay, I'm gonna give you the TP here, major Fibo here. Maybe around this area. So, kung bibili ka ngayon, ito, sipatin mo siya. Sorry, mali. Saan yung aking TP? Yan. Okay, bibili ka ngayon. Ito ang current risk mo. Tingnan mo kung if it's okay with your risk settings. That's your risk reward. Since you're trying to get ahead of the momentum, consider the spread as well. So, kung meron kang base, dapat nagdadagdag ka ngayon. Kung meron kang base. Kung wala, tingnan mo na lang tong pwede may tight cut loss. Yun nga lang, minsan kasi sobrang volatility nito. Ako, nabigyan ko allowance mga ganyan. Ayan, allowance ko 10%. No, in general. Excuse me. Okay, pabagsak si ATVI, pagsak pay market, good to buy. Let's check it out later. Let's check it out the stock market. We still have 15 minutes to go for the crypto. Later. Dogecoin, let's go to Dogecoin. I mentioned Dogecoin if it gonna have a green candle in last few days ago. Pili nyo na, which is I think this one. Okay, ito. We're still on the support. Very, very good intact on the support with less volume. No? One green candle, one big volume buying can trigger a euphoria reaction here, no? Reaction kay Dogecoin. We actually had a previous cup and handle, then they made a TP on the supply zone, retesting the support right now. One green candle is what we are waiting again to confirm this one. So ito yung green candle na binili natin. It's still holding on the support with less volume on the selling. Pwede pa itong habulin. Kung magdadagdag kayo, pwede pa itong itry bumili for Dogecoin for now. But if na-sense na yan ng mga Byakugan ninjas ko, baka lumipad yan in the next few days. Okay, may mga ano tayo. Yan. TRX, we're also waiting for a breakout. Not a buy for me for TRX yet. If bibili ka pala ngayon, definitely dyan sa baba or a breakout for TRX. Tapos na yan eh. Sinabi ko na to. Katecoin, ayan. Ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo guys. For Katecoin, if I mention with you, ayan na. Tinamaan na yung TP natin, di ba? Sabi ko, hintay muna natin magkaroon ng ganitong pattern. So, hindi niya pinakita from the last 8 hours. It's hitting the resistance on the support. Wala pa. Let's wait for it. Huwag muna natin siyang huwag muna natin siya i-trade. Tayo natin ng ganito. Tayo natin. Masyadong malalaking volume yan. Possible there's a lot of people selling this one. So, wag nating habulin. Baka bagsakan tayo niyan. No? Ito, ang gusto nating makita ang pattern. Yan, nakita nyo to? Yan, low volatility, then a breakout. So, yan yung isa natin. Yan, Mana USD. Okay, Mana USD, ito, malapit-lapit to. Malapit tong iputok na naman ni Modi. Okay, this is the previous breakout here. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Okay, check natin yan. Alright, there you go. Alright, Mana. Okay, abangan natin dito. Pag tumapat dito si Mana, nag-green candle from this area, test buy natin. When? Not within the week, ha? Within the week. Pag inabot to next week doon, wag na. Kung nag-consolidate lang dyan, naglaro dyan hanggang next week, wag nyo na habulin. Pero As long as nag-hold to dito, area na to, kunin natin yan in the next 4 hours. We can, tingnan natin kung babagsak pa to or magkaroon ng green candle from this area. Katulad nito. Good sign yan na may follow-up pa. I'm gonna put this on my watch list. Yan. Tingnan natin dyan. Alright, Joseph. Joseph, naayos mo na ba yung Izanagi mo na credentials? Nahanap ka ni Jay. Paki-check na lang doon yung username password mo. Or Izanagi. USD. Link USD. Ito, isa rin sa buy point ko from this area here. Ito, ganda rin ito, no? Technicals pa lang. So, breakout here. Nagkaroon ng sell-off dito. Holding on this area for Link. I still have Link. Honestly, maganda pa rin si Link. Bibili ngayon, not good. This area again. Or breakout again. Ang hindi lang maganda kay Link was this one. Ayan. Yan, itong breakout. Malapit siya sa resistance. Kaya kailangan kasi mag-ipon nito eh. May resistance kasi tinatamaan. So, wag muna. Tingnan muna natin. Yun, maraming bumili. Good job. Good job. Mga bumili sa, sa Solana. Kalakas. Okay, good. Mana, alright. Tapos na tayo dito. Tapos na tayo kay Mana, right? There you go. MKR, Katecoin. Tapos na tayo dyan. Euro CHF. May nagpa-Forex dito. Tingnan natin dito ang mga... Okay, itong tandaan nyo. Pag CHF, yan, talagang trending sa bagsak yan, no? Mga CHF pairs. Okay, we are nearing the supply zone, the demand zone here. I would suggest, hintayin mo na lang. Okay, so we are in the supply zone here. Nasa momentum pa siya ng bagsak. Magpapasok ng New York session, bumabagsak siya ngayon, mag-opposite direction. Okay, test buy. Pwede mo test buy. New York session. Baka kasi magano, no? Pwede test buy. Late ka na ng konti. Masyadong ilang pips na inangat to from the support. 17. Pwede pa naman. Okay, we have a breakout here. Oh, yan, may breakout na nangyari dito. Ayan. Pwede pa naman. Yun nga lang, ako mas gusto kong bumili sa range na to. Itong range. Or another retest on this area sa CHF pairs. Okay, pwede pa naman kasi may 17 pips pa naman siya from the area. So, magsa-sideways pa to. So, ito lang, i-risk reward mo niya, konti lang. So, pwedeng bilhin, pero mas maganda dito ka maging aggressive sa baba. Sa buong zone. Doon ka mamili. Alright, Sand. Mamaya tayo sa stock market. Diretso mo tayo sa crypto. Ano pa bang crypto na tinitingnan nyo? Shiba Inu, mga paborito nyo, no? Ayan. Okay, there you go. For Shiba Inu. Ito din, ang ganda rin. Ang pinapakita ni Shiba Inu, parang gusto din magkaroon ng another rally. Tingnan natin dito kay Shiba Inu. Parang ginawa niya dito, no? Ayan, yan. Uy, Shiba Inu is giving us a, double top bottom. Okay, for Shiba Inu, I would not buy that support. I'd rather buy the breakout. We have a clear na resistance here. Clear resistance here. So, bilhin na natin yun. Kahit na nasa support siya ngayon, gusto ko sigurado pataas na lang, no? Pero honestly, kung ako to, pupwesto din ako eh. Like, bibili din ako dyan. Para papapabili ako eh. Kasi wala masyadong seller, no? The last time it hit our 50, binomba eh, no? Pero wala tayong nakikitang 4-hour na bomba so far. Kaya mas gusto kong breakout eh, para sure. So, isa yan sa tinitingnan natin for Shiba Inu. Test buy, pwede. Caution. Okay, caution for this one. No? Alright, Snap, CRV, USD. Punta tayo ng stock market, 9 o'clock onwards. Stick na schedule lang para sa mga crypto persons. This one, not an 8 gates. Maybe a price action trade can be considered. Okay, we have a massive volatility on the 4-hour there. If you're gonna buy that support, this support here. At para kasi feeling ko downtrend itsura niya eh, no? Why? Kasi ito, no? coming from a big box, going to the box, consolidating pababa. So, yung mga ganitong trade, possible, breakout na lang tayo. Para may maayos na posisyon, kumbaga. No? FTM, USD. Kung siya kinoconsider ng momentum kasi ang lalaki ng volatility Okay, FTM, I'm not familiar with this one. It's hitting the MA50, the MA20. Green candle is our confirmation for this one. It's hitting our support zone. Test buy may be considered. FTMT. And it's hitting our trend line here. So, ang dami natin nakikita dito. Malapit ditong trend line. So, kung magkaroon to ng consolidation, most likely, pwede nga magkaroon ng consolidation. Pero at least habang nasa support pa siya, pwede mo siyang bilhin, no? Baka maglaro yan ng ganyan. Bilang ibo ganun, no? So, for now, nagkakaroon ng squeezing, price action, it can consider a buy. Okay, cut below here. And ito ang aking risk reward dyan. Hindi ako magkakatlos ng ganito. Sa crypto, guys, bigyan nyo ng room for growth. Wag masyadong bigyan nyo room for growth. Kasi talagang spiky So, wag kang magkakatlos ng mga 5%, 3%. Give it room to breathe. Na hindi pa masyadong malayo sa cut loss mo. Kasi nga, sobrang volatility, no? Okay, EOS. Let's go to EOS. We have 4 minutes to go before the market opens. EOS, we're waiting for a breakout. Yeah, we're waiting for a breakout here. Wala pa tayong nakikitang breakout. So, for this one, wala tayong gagawin. So, breakout ang hinihintay natin dito on this area. Alright, ZEC, ARPA. Sige, let's go to ARPA. ARPA, USDT. Okay, ARPA, USDT. Wow, grabe yung mga mga crypto tokens Okay, breakout this event. Sayang, nito sana yung bili dito, Brad, Itong opening na yan, sayang. Medyo huli ka na ng konti. Hindi ko nahahabulin yan, Binireakout pa ng secondary, Ayan. Bigyan ka ng buy play. Ayan. Okay. Sayang, late na to. Pero kung masipag ka magantay, okay, tingnan muna natin kung magkaroon din ng maging price action kasi ito, ganito maglalaro yan dyan. Lalapit to. So, doon natin kunin. Pag lumapit yung itim, EMA 10, or magkaroon another breakout. Kung gusto natin, mag-pullback muna. Maglaro siya dyan. Tapos, pag nag-breakout, punin natin, TP natin dito. So, wala pa. There is an increase of volume. Pag nyo habulin to, momentum, wag na. Late na Supposedly, ito yung buy niya, Itong breakout na yan. Kasi may rejection, di ba? So, binirake out. Sayang, late na. Go to ZEC, USD. Yeah, para ito si ZEC. So, we're waiting for a breakout of ZEC with this head and shoulder cup and handle pattern. Kung magkaroon ng breakout, bilhin natin. Or EMA 20. Ngayon, may EMA 20 ako nakikitang possible play sa kanya. Alright? Okay, tapos na tayo dito. SAND USDT. SAND USDT, same lang. Same lang to. Di natin to masyado. Di natin yeah, medyo late na rin ng konti. Tingnan natin muna. Let's have this as our support. We can buy from this support. Bumagsak man dyan, good. EMA 20 sasalo. At least you have this range to buy. If we can sense a breakout, another opportunity to buy. Okay, SLP USD. Go to the 4-hour chart. Support play ang laro natin dito. Baka nga sa next bagbagsak ito, honestly, tingin ko dito it will go down further. Baka bumigay ito. Baka bumigay yan. Sa itsura niya, ha? Sa itsura niya. With fundamentals ito, nako, para mas bababa pa to. Pangit. Okay. So, kung gusto mo dito i-trade, confirmation on this one, on the 4-hour chart, bili natin. Wala. Uni, nire-reject ang Fibo. That's good. Salamat. Kapag FF, kapag pwede pa, wala. Hindi pwede. Hindi ko kino-consider yung sabi ko eh. Kailangan mag-consolidate muna siya. Huwag na lang habulin. For Uni, 4-hour chart, tingnan natin sa daily muna to. Daily for this one. Green candle pwede or price action tayo dito eh. Ang laro dito is really price action eh for me. Ano kasi no, ayan no, masyadong evident yung highs and lows. So kung masyadong evident yung highs and lows na yan, price action laro natin dito. So yeah, we have a breakout here. Kung magkaroon ng next green candle dyan, pwede natin i-test buy. Or wait for the support. So wala tayong gagawin dyan. Okay. Alright, it's 9:31 in the evening. Let's check the market, where the market is right now. Sitting at the momentum, I would suggest to take profit for tonight. Tingnan natin kung bumagsak yung account ko. I think bumagsak yung account. Na-downgrade ako to silver again. So I'm down by 0.42% today. Tingnan natin ang top na meron ako. ADA is 5%, NMDM, Matic, and XRP. The big drop today is NAS Oil, Zynga, Miyota, and TRX. Wala naman akong Zynga. Alright, okay lang. Let's go to the stock market. Okay, LLY is one request. LLY is breakout label. So, pag mga ganitong pharma, huwag nyo nang habulin. Okay, medyo late na yan. Dapat may consolidation tayo. Pero kung may posisyon na sa baba, sample, may position ka dito on this consolidation here. Pwede ka magdagdag. Ngayon. Okay? Pero ganito itsura niya. You have a pending resistance here. Hindi na yan advisable magdagdag kahit may nakita tayong breakout sa current price action. Itong, yan, maganda to. Itong yan. Ito, ayan, no? So, ngayon, chill na lang. Like, let it ride. Magdagdag, not so, ano pa. Okay. Let's go to Cisco, I think bumili ako niyan. Thank you. Okay, Cisco, ay bumili ako diyan. Dito tayo bumili, right? O ito. Tingnan natin. Ayun, thank you for that. Medyo late pa nga yung bili ko eh. Okay, congratulations sa bumili ng blue. Medyo, ayan na siya. Tinamaan na natin ang ating first TP. Okay, hintayin na ako dito ng sell signal. Most likely, that's my sell signal. So, usually, pag ganito, nilalaro ko na to, sell half na lang ako. Yan, may pera na ako. Good. Alright. So, tinamaan yung fill the gap. We bought it here, if you can remember. This one, itong breakout na to. So, we are 26%. Nakadalawang trade ako to. Isa to, tsaka plus yan. This is times 2. Kaya, 37% yung gains natin. Okay, BB gap up. Cisco, COP, U1. BNGO. Nvidia. Okay, let's go to COP, energy. Okay, for COP, wag muna to. Tingnan muna natin kung mag-reconsolidate. Ang lakas niya. Late na kasi to eh. Late na tayo dito. Late na yung sa energy. Baba natin because may resistance na pending. So, wala tayong gagawin. Tingnan natin mag-consolidate ng todo. Pero, pwede kong umentry yan within the month. But not now. Hindi siya maganda. Hindi na mataas na. No? NMDM. NMDM, is it a buy? Is it a buy? Buy. Tinamaan na ba ito? Price action tayo dito, guys, no? Pwede tayo price action. Fill the gap. Alright, so itayin natin tong mag-fill the gap ulit. Honestly, parang tinamaan naman niya na yung gap. Pero mas secure tayo kung dito niya tatamaan yung gap. Yan. So, ibalik niya dyan. Mag-consolidate doon. Dito, mag-hold. Saka natin bilog. Natin habulin. Kung gusto mo habulin yung breakout, konti lang. Kasi topish yung market. No? Nvidia. Okay, Nvidia. Nvidia is hindi na to tinitingnan para bilhin. Naka-hold ka na dito. So, momentum na siya. Wala na to. Late na, no? Kahit momentum trading, hindi ko na yan may gap eh. Ayoko, hindi na siya kasama. BB gap up. Okay, BB. Paano naging gap up? Maliit naman yung gap up. Okay, so tingnan natin kung magkaroon ng follow-up. Kung magkaroon ng follow-up, pwedeng tradable. We have a triple bottom here. So, very, very good consolidation. We have the headed, tama dito. Ayan, no? Triple bottom structure. 1, 2, 3. We have a cup and handle pattern. We are just waiting for a breakout. I'm gonna check this out. Yan. Hanap ako ng magandang setup. Bitrise, WSC, Bitrise. Ito, Bitrise ito. Bitrise token, pancake swap. Oh, alright. Oh, mga tinitrade nyo, ha? Okay, pancake house. Price action tayo lower time frames kasi wala na masyadong action sa higher time frames. This is a possible distribution. Wala tayong guys, wala tayong gagawin muna to. Tingnan muna natin, the nearest area to buy is here, no? Itong area na to eh. So, wala. Pababa pa talaga siya. Let's check on this area also if we can make a buy here kung mag-consolidate. Bounce trade is dangerous for this one. So, bounce trade is very, very dangerous for this one. Okay. Try natin to. Okay, coin and 98. Hanap ako, parang yung BB nagugustuhan ko siya. Yung BB. Alright, so I think pinat-chart to yesterday. Okay, pinat-chart siya yesterday. Ayun, sayang to. Oh. Dito sana yung entry nito, boys. Oh. Ayan sana yung entry. Oh. Ayan, oh. Yun, oh. Sayang. Oh. So, ngayon, wala ka munang gagawin. Hintay mo na siya mag-breakout ulit. For that, no? Pero maganda na yung structure niya. Aabangan mo na lang to sa at least 4 hour or 1 hour. Kung magkaroon ng breakout ulit, then pasukin natin, no? 1 hour. Honestly, pwede sa 1 hour, ah. Ayan, no? Kung bibili ka ngayon, ito lang, mabilis. Kung kaya mong sikmurain tong risk reward na to. Ito, below the box ka yan. Below 0.5. Pwede no? Pa yan. Yan. Risk mo dito. 3%. Konti lang, no? Ito, pwede may risk yan. 10% kung gusto mo. Pwede rin. Yan. Yan. Sorry. Yan. 13%. Or this 5%. Pwede may breakout sa lower time frame. Yun nga lang, malapit sa resistance kasi. Kaya ganyan itsura. Snap. Let's go to Snap. Teka, titignan ko lang yung aking gusto tingnan. Dali ha. Ito ba yun? Dali. Saan yung isang monitor? Yun. 357. Okay. Breakout nga. Okay. Ito, birthday gift. Birthday gift sa lahat. Bigyan ko na kayo ng computation ko. Yan. May breakout ako dito. Ano to? 134. Yan. Okay. Nag-set order tayo. Okay, good. Just go. Later explain ko bakit. LSED 8 gates. Retest mode. Pwede to entran. Nagpa-price action good siya. Ang ganda, oh. Yesterday. So, LC, this is good. Kahapon, pinachart na to. We have an 8 gates dito. Low volatility on the... Pwede to. On the 4th day. Pwede siya. Pwede to, si LC. Pwede yan pasukin. For today. Ayan na, umaangat na. So, isa yan. Pwede to, yan. Tingnan natin si LC. Tingnan natin yung mga green dito na mga watchlist ko. DKS, remember yesterday? Ayan, DKS, oh. Ayan, sabi ko sa inyo, bumili kayo kahapon ng DKS. O, pag sabi naman ako yun. Pag sabi ako, ayan, sinabi ko si test buy na yesterday. Today is the confirmation breakout. Congrats sa mga bumili yesterday. This one as well, si ate. Ito rin, maganda lang si ate, oh. Breakout na lang din hintayin natin dito. Si ate, hintayin natin dito, ah. May possible breakout na mangyayari dito. Blueberry din. Malapit. Ito si Blueberry, oh. Ito, abangan nyo rin to. Neo. Okay pa tayo dyan kay Neo. Congrats. Ikaw yun. Yan, congrats. HBI, FBS, Unit Box. Okay. So, yung mga watchlist natin today. Tingnan natin. Okay, may nagtanong kanina regarding ATVI. I think may nabasa ako kanina ng drop down for ATVI. Good. Gap down. Tingnan natin fundamental saan ATVI because of the earnings report, no? So price, good green candle. Tingnan natin for ATVI. Buti, nag-TP ako dito. Tinamaan kasi TP ko sa ATVI, eh. Kali, yan. Good to buy. Tingnan natin, binagsakan niya. Lagyan natin ng indicator ng Fibonacci. Not Fibonacci, tawag dyan. Chidori. Tingnan natin si Chidori for ATVI. Kasi maganda itsura. ATVI. Binagsak ang ATVI at 19 levels. Hindi siya nag-Chidori. May rason to. Nako, hindi na siya momentum. Below 200 pa. ATVI, hindi siya Chidori. Sorry. Buy range. Pwedeng nasa buy range tayo. Tingnan natin ang funda nito. Akin na binagsak ka. Nag-TP ako niya recently, eh. ATVI. Naku, malapit yung chunk ko. Tingnan natin. Nangyari. Yun yung minsan sa earnings report, eh, no? Okay lang. Sakto lang. Expected to grow at 13% per year. So, we have a peg ratio of 1.67. Definitely, no? Ganda. Okay lang. Medyo fairly value, no? Fairly value. We have, like, tingnan natin ATVI. Tingnan natin. May ATVI sa kabila. Meron ako ATVI sa kabila. 20% discount, 77. Laki ng discount nito, ah. 77. The fair value is what? Saan yun? 97. EA Sports, 8%, 42% UBI. Okay. Hindi nga lang matado yung ano, no? Economic mode. 90. Ito yung discount niya. Saan yun? Ayan. 97. So from the current price, this is 97 here. You're discounted at 33%. Pwede consideration to buy ito. Bounce play pa. Tingnan natin sa price action. Pwede itong may panis. Pwede yan. Pwede siya isaluhin for me. Yun ibababa niya, possible konti pa. May possible siya ibaba, konti. Pero look at the earnings, no? So price is negative 0.6. Ang konti lang, no? Konti lang yung nabitin ba, pero hindi mo binagsak, no? Oh. So, yeah, I think di naman sila overvalue. Yun yung point ko dun, eh. Market talaga minsan, di mo rin maintindihan, no? Yeah. So, pwede to for me, pwede to saluhin. Pwede yan saluhin dyan, sa ilalim. Aggressively. Pwede talaga siya. Okay, good. Let's go to Tesla. Let's go to Tesla. Tesla, wala na to. Hindi natin titignan Tesla. Take profit na to eh. Okay, so take profit na si Tesla for me eh. Bawas na talaga every resistance. Di ko na siya, no? Amazon is still a buy for me, si Amazon. Sitting at the MA200 there. Okay, going range. Ganda naman. So if I'm gonna buy Amazon, I'm gonna buy it in tranche, no? Ayan, so sitting at the MA50. Okay, so I'm gonna buy it there. I'm gonna buy it there. So ngayon, pwede siya i-test buy for me, no? Si Amazon. Nagko-consolidate. Yun isa maganda ni Amazon. Ayan. Based on earnings, 20% discount. So, okay talaga siya. Let's go to NMDM. Fill the gap. Okay, NMDM. Sana ma-hit yung ano. Hindi kasi kung mapantayan. Ito, fill the gap nga NMDM. Okay, ito. Abangan na natin to si NMDM, guys. Tinamaan na yung fill the gap nito. Aha. So, if we can check the 1 hour dito magkaroon ng green candle on the 1 hour, pwede natin tong enteran si NMDM. Ayan, tingnan natin. Ayan, malapit na. Tingnan natin ang EMA 10 sa 15 minutes or 20. Kung mag-support si EMA 20 or 10, pwede natin pasukin. As long as it's trading above 638. Yan. Pag nag-breakout ulit dyan later, sinalo na mga moving average, pwede natin yang pasukin after that one. So, yan. Yan. Tingnan natin. Pag basta, nag-trade siya above the gap. Okay tayo dyan. Okay. Si gold. Naka-ano kami dito sa, ano eh. Naka-tama dyan. Yan. Naka-short sell ba kami dito? Kabila. Wait lang ha. Hindi, naka-buy kami. Naka-short sell nga kami kay gold. $9.35. Naka-short sell kami kay ano. Hindi, bumili ba tayo kay gold kanina, guys? I think so. Tingnan natin. Wala, hindi pa sa naman sa trade calls. Ayan. So, yan. Nagkaroon ng breakdown. Pangat ang breakdown nito, no? So, in terms of buy or sell signal, pababa yung ano niya, mas malakas yung hatak ng baba, eh, no? So, mas gusto ko siyang i-short, no? So, look for short positions since naka-break down yung trend line nito. Hanap ka ulit ng short positions. Around this area possible. Mag nag-retest dyan, possible mag-short pa ulit yan ng todo, no? Let's go to Snap. Ano oras na ba? 9:48. Bilis ng oras, ha? Ayan na. Si Snap. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Ayoko tong bilhin for now. Okay, baka bumagsak pa. Pero test buy pwede. Nasa support naman, retest. Okay lang. Pero ingat lang dito sa green zone. Itong green na to. Test buy pwede kay Snap. Ingat lang dito. Kasi baka mag-resistance to or bumagsak further. Aggressive buyers may come in around this price. That's our nearest below price point. So, may mga support naman dyan. Dito ang possible. Pero ito pwede yan, ha? Pwede siyang i-trade. Okay, GBP USD, Forex. Alright, so ito meron naka-sell, naka-short ako dito. Nasa Elite Club to siya. We can check the support area. Honestly, guys, you can do the shadow technique already here. Pwede na to. So, shadow technique can now be ingat lang, dapat mag-retrace to Friday. So, ilang pip level to? 209 pips yan, ha? So, yan. Kung mag-ano ka dyan, 200, sabihin natin lagay ka 0.05, no? 0.05. Dapat ready ka dyan by, ano nga mag-compute ng Forex calculator. So, yan, GBP USD. Tingnan natin. Patay to, 200 pips pala to, no? Hindi pa nakalabas yung Izanagi ko dyan, eh. Izanagi nyo, nakalabas na sa akin, hindi pa, eh. Ayan. Ako, kakabala ko dito, ah. Anyway, pwede na itong honestly, pwede na itong mag-activate ng martingale. Ito lang yung check mo, ilang levels to. So, makaka-open ka dito ng mga 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Makaka-open ka ng mga 6 na position. Mga level 6 sa 30 pips. Kung kaya mo yon, then go. Pwede. Kasi yung Izanagi ko nasa level 6 na. Yung sa inyo, naka-TP. Yung sa akin, hindi. Yung sa akin, hindi pa eh. Kaya minomonitor ko tong GBP USD. Ayan. HF, Dave, ano pa? Tingnan natin. INPX. INPX is good so far. Breakout. Alright. Tingnan natin kung mag-hold tong area na to. Itong maybe a classic support can be an opportunity to buy yan. Since nag-breakout na siya dito. Magko-consolidate pa yan further. So, observe muna tayo dyan. Okay. Ito ba yun? Dali lang ha. NVAX ba yun? Wait lang. mRNA ba yung binili ko? Set order ko dito. mRNA nga. Okay. Ito sabi? May sinabi dito ah. Aha. Save. Okay. Tingnan natin. Ito. Okay. Save foods. Ano to? Ano to? Save. Yun. Alright. Tingnan natin ito. Okay. Okay. Alright. Sige. Dali ah. Send lang ako para mahabol ng members. Okay. Yan. May signal. IRTC. 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 Wow! Congratulations! Nagsisi naman ako kay IRTC. Bakit ka naman nagganyan? You know guys, I'm trading IRTC since it was here. If you can remember. If you can remember together, we are trading IRTC. Ginap up mo kong, no? Nagtipi na ako dito eh. Nandito ako dito kay IRTC. Nabombahan ko to eh. Tingnan ko nga. Diba, naalala nyo? So, IRTC. Ano? Dami ko IRTC. Oh, sayang guys, oh. Oh. Tinipi ko na maaga. Sayang. Times 60 o times 5, 6, 7, 8, 24, 30. 300%. Naitipi ko. 400% sana. Naku, sayang, oh. 60. Wala na to. Filled na yung gap. Hintayin na tayo ng consolidation ulit. Sayang. Oh, na-trade natin yan eh, if you can remember. VMNW. Wow. Yes, sa VMM Technology Software. Tinamaan ng resistance. Abang tayo support. Nito, abang tayo support. VMM. Retest on this area. Pwede. Abangan natin dyan. Wala tayong gagawin dyan. Okay. What else? Dell. Del. Okay, Del. Ito ba yung kahapon na nagkaroon ng ng gap down ng todo? Ito yung kahapon, right? Yung VNM, to ba yun? Yeah, I think may kahapon. Ito yun, no? Yung bumagsak ng todo. Because of, hindi ko alam, parang split share, stock split yata or whatever, no? For now, wala pa siyang price action eh. So, hindi pa natin to pabayaan muna natin. Wala tayong gagawin sa kanya. Hindi pa siya kaanya-anyang tingnan. Yung isabihin no? Sayang naman yung RRTC. TFS. DFS is finance, real estate. Iwas muna konti. Let's go for a confirmation on this breakout. It's playing around 200. If magkaroon tayo dito ng breakout, pwede. Baka kasing bukas yan, may gap down pa. We already at the resistance. May gap down pa yan around this area. So, chill muna tayo. Chill muna tayo this one. Kung magkaroon ng breakout, pwede nating bilhin. I-try. Okay. PLTR. Alright, PLTR. It's still a buy range for PLTR for me. After the breakout, we have a retest on this one. If magkaroon to ng green candle bukas, pwedeng bumili ulit for PLTR. So, we can sense a upward trend. Kung titingnan nyo, ayan, no? Nagre-retest siya on the current demand zone there. So, bukas, maybe a consideration kung bibili tayo. Pwede natin yan on a green candle. AFG, there is a massive breakout there, AFG. Pwede itong ibilin. Kita nyo itong full breakout na yan. Gap up. Okay naman yung pag-gap up niya kasi na-filled naman yung gap. Abang na lang to lower time frames. Maybe an hour or so. Tingnan natin, bumaba. Pero buy na to within the day. It's just that the best price you can buy it today is good. No? Dummies. For AFG, dummies, no? Dummies. ADMP. Accumulate na tayo dito. Bumili na kayo nito. Ngayon na. For ADMP. Baka pumalo to bukas. Isang test buy na tayo. Kung may pera kayo. Yan. Kung may pera kayo, test buy na to, no? Kaya naman niya ginawa ulit yan. Ginawa na ba niya yan before? Binagsak tapos inangat. Pwede yan test buy si ADMP. Okay. Tawag tayo dito. RNVC. Oil, US oil. Tingnan ng mga commodities din. Okay. Alright. US oil, consolidation at the top. MA20, Russian shooting. Okay, consideration, a buy for this one. Price action wise. Range trade. Ayan, range trade lang kanina, sana. Okay, ngayon, chill na lang. Medyo late na ng konti, range trade nito. Kasi nag-range na lang siya. So, baka bumagsak pa to further kung habulin mo. If you wanted to check your current risk reward, that's 1% here. Then, another 1:1 ka lang. Ito. 1:1 trade ka kung sa current price niya. Range trade lang. Sideways naman eh. Okay. Nenvax, oil, Adamis, Baba. Baba is forming. Yeah, man. Meron akong drawing dyan. First buy na yan kahapon. Until today, first buy na to ngayon. Another buy will be here for Ababa. Okay. Of course, bobombahin yan pagdating dito. Dapat dito, bombahin yan sa range na to. So, for now, buy is still a buy for me for the inverse head and shoulder pattern there. Confirmation if we were gonna break out again this neckline here. So, tingnan natin for this one. AMC. Okay, if you're part of the Elite Club, you could have seen this already. Gusto nyo makita? Okay. Naku, may rason talaga kung bakit. Ay, nako. Wala akong pera kasi. Anyway, tingnan natin. AMC, abang na to. Abang na to sa AMC. If you're part of the Elite Club, sinabi ko na yan kahapon. Wala lang talaga akong pera kahapon. Pero isa yan sa mga tinitingnan ko. Hindi nga rin ako makapaniwala. Ba't kasama siya doon? Sige, birthday ko naman. I-share ko na lang. Okay. Yan, share ko na lang kung bakit, no? Report yesterday on the Elite Club. Gusto niyo makita yon? Sige, papakita ko sa inyo, ha? Sige, pakilagay naman sa chat box. Gusto ko, di ba? Bibigyan ko kayo ng Elite Club bibigyan ko kayo ng Elite Club picks yesterday. Yun yung topic natin tonight, no? Sige, bibigyan ko kayo ng Elite Club picks. Ayan. Para lahat tayo kikita hanggang December kasi yun ang gusto natin, eh. Kaya yung mga pinapa-chart nyo, na NMDM, ano pa yung mga isa? Yung mga yan? Abangan nyo na yan. Maniwala kayo sa akin. Ano pa yung mga pinapa-chart nyo kanina? Yung, ano pa isa? Yung mga OCGN, yan. Yan, dyan na kayo pumuesto. Ano pa iba? Ayan, INTX, wag yan. Ano pa ba isa dito? Yung mga yan, yung mga in the likes na yan. Abangan nyo na yan. Okay? Ito yung rason. Ito yan, pakita ko sa inyo. Okay. Lakas naman Izanagi. Okay. I'm gonna show it to you guys, no? Where's the Elite Club? Here. Okay. Bawal screenshot, ha? Ang mag-screenshot, mamamatay. Joke lang. Ang mag-screenshot. Ang mag-screenshot, mamamatay. Okay. Alright. Tago na natin yung grabe makakers, no? Sige, since it's a good day to celebrate life, God has given us, alright? Okay, for people who wanted to earn for this year, ito yung rason. Di ko pa na-chart, pero again, yesterday, no, November 1, pinabili ko na ng Pfizer yung mga tao. This is the reason why, yung Prednar nila sa Elite Club. So, if you want to subscribe in Elite Club, please do so. Also, last night, okay, I've told my members, the members of the Elite Club, that please do prepare for Russell. Okay? Why? Because at the start of the year, at the start of this month, yan yung mga small and mid caps flyers. Nagliliparan na yung small and mid cap flyers dyan. Okay? Please, wag nyo na itong iyan, no? Or we can also check the breakout on the whole, on this whole, tama dyan? ETF, no? ETF that the holdings currently of the small and mid cap. Definitely a small cap, yung Russell 2000, no? If you're gonna... Now, the Russell 2000 is this one, no? Kung nakita nyo dyan, pinost ko yan sa Elite Club report. Sa Elite Club GC, kasi di ko pa tapos yung report, ginagawa ko pa. But definitely, this is part of it. Kung titingnan mong holdings ng Russell 2000 yesterday, kung bumili ka dun sa topmost holdings niyan, is this one. Pina-chart ngayon. Okay. AMC. Nakita nyo? Okay, AMC. Tingnan mo yung AMC ngayon, today. Look at AMC today, no? Oh, yan. Isa yan. Mga small caps. Tapos yan. Ayan, no? Bunobomba na. Isa yan, no? Plus, honestly, wala akong pera pero baka bumili ako nito today. Okay. Ito yung mga holdings niyan. Ito, pwede nyo i-screenshot. Huwag nyo na i-screenshot yung report. Okay? Please lang. There are 2,000 stocks there. If you want to pag-aralan, maghanap ka na dito ng holdings. The largest holdings they have is AMC, which is communication, of course. One thing that I'm also looking into is Asan. I think Asan. Wait lang, check ko ha. Asan. Asan yun? So, maghanap na kayo ng mga posisyon dyan. Kasi isa yan, late na to. At tinitingnan ko na eh. Sabi ko, maghahanap ako entries. I think Car, Aves. See, naglaliparan na. Ano, kita mo? Okay. So, yan. Hanap na kayo ng pwede nyo ma-enteran. Ang dami nito, 2,000. If you want to be safe, go to the top 10 holdings na meron to. On the right sector, maybe on the sector of technology, maybe on the sector of industrial, na mga sector. So, isa yan ang tingnan nyo dito. Top holdings ni iShare, I'm gonna give it to you on the chat box. Ito yung rason dyan. So, another reason there is this one. Okay, bawal i-screenshot ha. Bawal i-screenshot. Okay, wag na lang. Para pang Elite Club eh. Okay, yan. Ayan ang laman ng Elite Club, guys. So, walang tapon sa Elite Club if you're part of the Elite Club. Ewan ko lang, hindi ka kumita, no? Ewan ko lang din, hindi ka may talo rin naman. Siyempre, hindi naman lahat panalo. Kaya later, mamaya ko sa inyo yung trade calls namin. So, isa to sa mga trade calls. May mga trade calls din tayo dito. November 1, there was a trade calls here. Trade calls yan. Pag may naano tayo, recommended to close kasi nag-profit na. So, money-making machine information is really way to go. So, that's why yesterday, okay, pinabili ko rin sila ng November 1, Pfizer. Diba? Look at Pfizer. Okay, look at Pfizer, no? Yesterday, I wanted to buy at this area here. They up by 6%. So, inverse resistance is here. Today, I'm asking them to buy mRNA. for a breakout. So, hindi pa siya nagbe-breakout. We're setting our orders on the breakout line para sure na dire-diretso taas. Or, titingnan ko to kung mag-follow to, baka mauna ako bumili before the breakout. Okay? Ang rason yan, because of the third dose. Yeah, because of the third dose demand of mRNA. Isa din yan. Isa. Remember, ang mga pharma, it was a consolidation period niyan last month. Maglalabas yan ng mga news report, usually November or December. So, yung mga nagpapamove ng mga market na yan, nag-accumulate yan September or August na una. Isa yan, no? Last din, on my birthday, dito sa inyo guys. Okay, is-save. Ito, save foods. Kita ko na kanina yun eh, save foods. Ano sabi? Okay, makita din natin. Save foods. Yan, SV, this one. Bili na kayo ngayon. Okay? Ngayon na, bili nito. Ayan, ito. We have a consolidation. Tingnan natin ang indicative techniques. Mag-ninja na gano'n na siya. Meron tong catalyst. Okay, yan. Ang catalyst nito. Yan, ito ang catalyst nito. Yan. Yan. Okay, yan ang catalyst niyan. So, about their production, which is they're confident to have an estimated more than 32% export for this one. Technically, I can sense a buy signal and on the breakout. If it's mag-sustain tong area na to at 7.54, the buy area 7.54. Enter 7. Ito. So, buy point, pwede to. Ay, wala pa pala. Hindi pa pala nag-full breakout. Yan. Okay. If magkaroon tayo ng full breakout dito, pwede. If mag-retest ng support sa MI20, pwede. So, yan. Tingnan natin ng set order at 7.54. Yan. 7.54. Yan. So, because of a catalyst. Kung titindi natin yung trend, ayan, no, nagkaroon ng liquidity. Ito. Meron ba to sa eToro? Wala yata eh. Wala. Wala pala. Ba yan? Wala nga sa eToro. Sayang. So, mRNA na lang. Ito, sabayan nyo na to. Wala na akong pera eh. Baka gusto ko mag-TP. Wala eToro, sad. Kaya nga, sige lang. Parang same pattern sa dito. Sino yung same pattern sa dito? Yung pump and dump, AMC? Si AMC ba? Oo nga, no? Oo nga, no? Pump. Pero si dito kasi, ganito kasi ginawa ni dito eh, no? Oh, ganyan na. Tapos bilang boom, di ba? Oh, ito meron to. Buy signal na to si AMC. Meron na seasonal. Ano na to eh? Nasa rotation na. Tingnan natin kung itutuloy niya to. Parang, honestly kung ako ang mag-trade nito, ihintayin ko itong mag-rase muna. Ayan. Test buy pwede kasi may breakout eh. Ayan, isa rin may test buy pwede, no? For 11%. Rally, pwede din to, no? Kasi possible mangyari nito, guys. Mag-follow up bukas. Or, magkaroon dito ng red candle. Magkaroon dyan ng red candle, then follow up by a green candle. So, opportunity mo dyan dalawa. Test buy ka ngayon, pero dapat ang cut loss mo dito. So, kung test buy ka ngayon, dapat ito ang cut loss mo dyan. Kasi ang look forward mo for the risk reward mo nito, for 22% risk is this one. So, times 3, no, of the 66%. Kung magabang ka dito sa baba, mas better na makabangon mo siya mas mura. No? Okay, good. Isa yan. So, if that's being of the Elite Club, if you want to subscribe to the Elite Club, ayan, and hanapin nyo itong Russell 2000. Okay? Tingnan natin Russell 2000 daw. Okay. Ayan, clear breakout. Talagang doon na talaga no? So, yung mismong sector wherein itong mga stocks na yan, binobomba na. Ito na yun. No? Ang WIM is this one eh. Meron niya sa eToro for ETF. Yan. Okay, yan no. Yan. Okay, for Russell 2000, mga growth companies. Okay, so yan, I hope that helps. Alright, so we have a topic tonight. Ang topic natin tonight is when to sell as an investor. Okay, that's our topic for tonight. Question on the chat box. How do you determine your sell on the chat box daw? Kasi wala akong gagawin. Board. Board yung port ko kasi naka-hold lang. How do you determine your sell? Like kaya ikaw, example, technical trader ka, ano ka, ano siya, or you're gonna do your ano ba? How do you determine sell? Yeah, pwede paparaffle pala din tayo, no? Okay. Ano ba magandang raffle natin? Ano tayo? Maganda tayo comment chat box. Ano yung Vince, yung comment raffle pick? Paraffle natin. Yung name picker. Anong i-hashtag natin, Vince? Oh, para yung hashtag natin tonight kasi may nag-request pa birthday ano daw eh. Pa birthday raffle no, ng milk tea. Sabi ko, ba't milk tea lang? Ba't di natin gawing Starbucks? 5 tao mananalo ng Starbucks tonight. Mali pa ako dito ng logo. Ayan. Diba? So, raffle natin. Tsaka, worth 2.5 sa mga robot users. But not tonight. Friday siguro. Sabay natin kay Sir Lloyd. Yan. Yung mga raffle na. Parang babasa tayo ng mga winners tonight. Diba? Gusto nyo ba ng 5 Starbucks? Paano nga gamitin to, Vince? Yung raffle, Kailangan sila maglagay ng hashtag, no? Hashtag. Yan. Definitely. Yan. Singitin na natin. Alright. So, before we actually go to the raffle for tonight, gusto ko lang magtanong, how do you take profit? Paano nyo sinasabi? Example, you have an earnings already. Example, ito. Earnings na kayo ng $37. How do you say na ito, ititipi ko na? Investor ka, like a technical trader. Example, wala ka alam sa technicals, pero gusto mo na mag-TP. Paano mo sasabihin na, okay, ito na yung area na magti-TP ako? Yan. So, how do you form the chat box? How do you decide? No? Anong decision mo? Okay? Yan. Example, gusto ko walang technicals. Wala tayong technicals para in the hat of an investor. Yan. We're wearing the hat of an investor. So the question is, how do you decide to TP? Yan. Para kasi importante yan no? Yan. So I'm gonna give you some points, but I want to get your insights. When do you decide to take profit as an investor? Yan ang topic natin tonight. It's 10:13. Yan. Okay. Yan. So yan. There you go. Yan. Okay. Good evening po. Pakintindi. Ano po? Good evening po. Sana makaintindi ako bago pa ako. That's good. Okay. It's okay. So yan. Also on the chat box, yung mga magpa-participant dyan, bibigyan natin yan ng Starbucks. Sa raffle, isasama natin yan. Ayan. 1:3 ratio. That's good. Technical yan eh. Okay. About, hindi ka technicals. Walang technical. Example, resistance, price action and news. Sabi ni Rigel. Yan. Resistance, price action and news. Ng technicals yan, no? Sell when happy. Sabi ni Gian Baleras. That's a good also insight. Yan. 1:3 ratio. Sabi ni Sir Ran Tabilas. Very, very good din again. Sell when happy. Honestly, sell when happy masyadong subjective, no? Subjective in a sense na how do you define na happy ka na, no? Okay. Diba? Alright. 100% nung ininvest mo. Okay, if you reach your 100%, you're gonna TP. That's good. Okay. Sabi ni Noel Anthony, when you reach your goal, grabe naman, masyado naman futuristic si sir. Stuck lang tayo. Ha? Okay, yung meaning to say your whole investment. Alright, I understand dyan. Okay, there you go. It's okay. Yeah, tama naman. When you reach your goal, invest. Yeah, dapat naman talaga when you invest something, you have an end in mind of goal for that. No? Like example, this investment is for college fund. This investment is for marriage fund. Diba? How about yung trading in trading in general. Set ng target ng TP. That's a good insight as well. Sabi ni Jemar Maldia, no? Meron ka dapat dito. Yan, that's good. Yun natin. Based on momentum and news. Yan. Sabi ni Christian Bagwing, sell when you achieve your goal. Yan, no? In general, in perspective, that's a good also. Okay, for technical trader like you, Neil Texon, there's a trend break, no? Determined by a trend line, a moving average break, di ba? Dami niyan. Price action also answer. Rejection on the resistance, a very very good topic. At least you have no the sell. The reason why I'm asking, no, the reason why I'm asking for this question is the problem kasi of selling. The problem kasi of selling is we're always basing our selling based on emotion. No? Emotion tayo nagsa-selling. Based on studies, 95%, 90% of traders sell according to their emotions. Ayan. Kasi we're all humans, no? We're all humans. This is definitely a ano siya? Sell when happy, no? Yan, isa din yan. O bakit yung Zoom PLTR nag-50% a day ayaw niya magbenta? Bakit yung bumili ng Squid Game nasa 50,000% walang nagbenta? Bakit kahako today nag 50% si all day nakabili ka ng IPO, hindi ka nagbenta? Hindi ka pa happy. Oh, di ba? Yun yung very subjective yung word na sell and happy. Kasi hirap labanan sa sarili mo eh, no? Yan yung isang problema dyan. When mataas na po, keepin na para happy. And the question also there, no? Ethel, is how do you say na mataas na? Yan isa rin question, no? Kasi sabihin natin sa mga ganyang rason. May tataas pa yan! May tataas pa yan, no? Yan. Sell when if you're contented. But that's actually very, very ano dyan, like normal. Like even ako, I would say that as well. Sell if you're contented with your profit. Yan. So, usually, the reason why I'm talking about this one, guys, because we are in the market of a bullish market right now. Okay? We are in a bullish November, December, even up to January. Our main problem right now is this one. When do we stop? When do we know that we are stopping? When do we know na dapat bebenta na tayo? As an investor, technical trader can identify their makakakita yan ng weakness candle, makakita yan ng ganitong candle, no, ng resistance, ibenta yan proactively. Tapos pag umangat pa, nakakita resistance dito, no? Umangat, nagbenta, tapos bilang ginapap kinabukasan. Sayang, dapat di mo na ako nagbenta. Isa rin yun, no? Uncontented. So ayan, ayan ang isang example. The main problem we have right now is selling because of emotion. So as an investor, let me give you some examples for tonight. Okay, on the next 15 minutes on how can you sell and profit as an investor. No? Tama yung sinabi nyo lahat. Definitely, I was going to say that as well. I must have a risk-reward ratio, resistance, when I'm happy, di ba? With the investment. Tapos pag happy ka na, katulad ng IRTC, di ba? Tinatrade natin yung IRTC. Nakita natin nag-gap up. Sayang. Dapat di mo lang benta. Si Alibaba, bumili ako dito na masyadong benta ako dyan, umangat pa doon. Sayang, di ba? May mga ganong instances tayo. So, the question right now for tonight is how we really determine RTP. So, let me just give you some points on how you decide to TP. Una, ganito siya. We always look, as an investor, usually, titingnan mo dyan yung market in general. Total market muna. Okay, let me just on the total market. Yan, okay. For the total market, if you're part of the Elite Club, I'm gonna give you some example on the US market in general, no? Ang selling point ng US market usually by statistics is around March to April. Bentahan na yan ng season. So, possible mag-start na magbenta January, February. Pero usually, the selling point was around between March to April, benta yan. Then, yung market will do a play around between June to August. Maglalaro yan. Okay? So, kung alam mo yung data na yan in general, let me just give you some slides. No? Pakita ko sa inyo yung slides nito. Yan. Ito. Ito. Kasi investor ka naka buy and hold ka, no? Hindi ka na, pwede kang buy and hold, pwede hindi. Not this one. Monthly stocks tayo. Monthly stocks. Para pag marami kang ginagawa, alam mo pa, I mean, this can help you guys to really go back, no? Ito. Yan. Okay. Bigyan ko kayo ng statistics ulit. Let's go back to the original statistics on the total market in general, no? Yan. Ito. Always balik tayo dito. Statistics. 50 years, 20 years. Kung titignan nyo ang market, flat na yan ng June to July. Okay, bawal mag-screenshot. Ang mag-screenshot, mamamatay. Okay, joke lang. Pwede paroodin yung live, pero bawal mag-screenshot. Okay. Okay. So, titignan mo, nagpipick talaga ng April in general. No? With the 72% gain, then we're entering the 70% gain probability again on a rally na happy-happy tayo lahat because we wanted to really end the year with a positive note. So, buy and hold na talaga tayo ngayon. Look for the next position. If may matipik ang isang stock, look for the next position and hold it until you're set target already. Una, in totality of the market, benta mo yan sa selling season. Kasabay ka kasi hindi ka naman nagde-dictate ng market. Yung mismong malalaking funds. And based on statistics, they usually sell between February up to April, nagbebenta na sila. Ito bakit tumataas pa to? Because of mga earnings report. Ganun siya, no? Dito magpa-flatten out. Nagde-distribute sila. Pagdating ng August, magbabakasyon. Yan, magbabakasyon sila. Nakikita mo kasi dapat inaalam mo kasi sila yung nagpapagalaw ng merkado. Ngayon, pag nagka-sell off yan, usually magpipick off down the market between September and October. This is your opportunity to buy aggressively and hold it again as an investor. Diretso ka lang. Hold ka. Repeat it afterwards. Now, on a technical perspective, titingin ka rin sa chart. No? Titingin ka rin sa chart. Titingnan mo yung condition ng total market. Meron na ba akong tinatamaan? If you're familiar with moving average, tingin ka rin sa perspective ng investor. One weekly chart. Bumabagsak yung market. Nakita mo, every time bumabagsak siya ng 20, MA20, dun bumibili. Eh di gawin mo rin yun. Diba? Pag bumagsak yung market ng 20, that's your first buy. You buy it in tranches, no? Second buy mo is a price action here, no? On a perspective ng investor. Magbibenta ka, first is by totality of the market. Okay? Kung bumigay ang 20 kung saan sila bumibili, most likely, dapat bibigay ka na rin ng mga investments mo. Magle-lay off ka na ng mga investment kasi dito sila bumibili at hindi na sila bumili the next one. Tama, nagbibilihan sila or dito, nagbenta tapos bumili doon. Sa may mga purple, yan, bumibili mga investor dyan, mga malalaking tapos umaangat. So, pag hindi na nag-hold yan, that's your time to lay off. Kasi possible may bounce, then tingnan mo ulit kung saan siya by investor mode. No? So at least may objective yung tingin mo. General. So pag bumigay yung 20 sa weekly, or gusto mong mauna sa 20 ng daily ka, or kung gusto mong mauna sa price action ka, para alam mo may objective ka na hindi ka masyadong nag-preempt ng benta. Kung magbebenta ka man sa mga resistance na ganyan, hindi mo masyadong ilalahat, konti lang as an investor. So titingnan mo yung total trend. So sabi ng isang technical trader, your trend is your friend, di ba? Ito yung short term. O, pag bumigay, then benta. So at least objectively, may sinagot din about taking profit or na setting target. Ang question dito sa tanong na yon is how do you set your target? On a specific percentage, on an objective percentage, no? Analysts compute the target based on the fair value. Okay, so next tayo dito, no? So yan. Total market, sell as an investor based on FB value. Yan, okay? So FE value meaning to say this is the price of the stock on its current financial fundamentals niya, o the fair value niya. Meaning ito yung part na hindi na siya discounted. So yung mga bumibili ito sa ilalim, dito na yan possible nagbebenta kung wala masyadong magandang report yung kumpanya. No? Magandang report yung kumpanya. So, tingin tayo again dito. Dito tayo tingin. Yan. Yan. Okay. So, katulad nito, example, ano ba yung mga umangat na magandang ibenta? Tesla. Okay, sabihin natin, fair value. Sabihin natin, ano ba magandang umangat na stock ko? Sabihin natin, si Cisco. Cisco tayo. Bumili kay Cisco ng, ito. Yan. Kung nag-invest ka dito kay Cisco, meron kang fair value na binibenta, no? Meron ka. The fair value of Cisco is 54. So, overvalue na siya, no? So, mag-iingat ka na. Mag-iingat ka na kay Cisco kasi overvalue na siya. So, kung investor ka, dapat, ito na yung something na dapat medyo nagbabawas ka na. And then, look for discounted stocks no? Kasi dalawa lang yan. It's either mag-overvalue siya because of momentum or malapit na talaga siya sa tuktok niya pag tinamaan yung fair value. So that's the second one. The third one is controlling your emotions. Okay? Control psychology. Yan, okay. Alright, ito yung usually sinasabi na pag sobrang bullish yung market, binigyan ka ni market ng 30%, 50%, 60% isang araw, magbawas ka na. Kasi bonus na yun eh. Di ba? Usually, katulad nito, ito. Yan, bigyan ko specific example. Yan, example ito, Zoom, nung kasagsagan ng pandemic, no? Pandemic, this one, no? Zoom was really doom, no? Tingnan mo to. From this opening, binigyan ka ng isang araw ng 50%. During this time, the market cap of Zoom was around 100 billion. So, mga 190 billion. So, on one day, may bumili ng 90 billion na pera. Yung mga bumili dyan sa ilalim, nagbenta na sa tuktok. Kasi, during this phase, dalawa lang yan. It's either may mga na FOMO, o may mga market manipulators. Kasi yung mga yan, nagbili yan sa ilalim. At binigyan ng isang magandang news, then sinell off. So imagine mo yung psychology ng mga bumili sa tuktok. Down ng 30%. Tingin mo di magka-cut-loss yun? Diba? Isa yun, no? As an investor. So the reason why I want you to protect your psychology because when you see your report with negative 50%, negative 30%, tapos yung mga value malalaki, tigil ka mawawalan ka ng confidence sa sarili mo. So, syempre, your wins will dictate your emotions, Your losses will dictate your fears, diba? So, that's why selling based on emotion is very, very subjective. So, that's why you need to, as an investor, dapat meron kang criteria kung hanggang dito lang muna benta na ako. Pag umangat siya, I'm gonna look forward to that. Or I'm gonna look for more. Kasi if you're looking for more, meaning you're studying more. Okay? Kasi if you look for more, meaning you're studying more. Nagiging win-win sa'yo as an investor. Pag hindi mo na tingnan yung tinipi mo, pwede mo naman balikan, di ba? So, pag binigyan ka na ni market ng bonus, katulad ng mga dyan, benta ka na not all para masagot na what if. May tinatawag na sell half, katulad dito kay Blue. Diba? I want to answer the question what if. Kaya binenta ko lang dito was tinanggal ko lang yung capital or sell half, diba? So, para just in case na bumaba siya, kumita na ako kahit sabihin natin 2,000 pesos. So, isa to. Tingnan, when you look forward kung ano pa to at dito. And everything that you have said, guys, is true. Even me, Jan, may risk reward. I'm also there kasi before ka naman umentry, titingnan mo naman yung risk reward. Selling when happy, still good, no? On your total portfolio, tama yung sinabi nila no, when you reach your goal. Kasi may mga mutual fund ka dyan. Tama yan, kasi pang long term talaga. Pero kung active investor ka, consider this three. Consider this three. Aralin mo yung market na nilalaruan mo. Look at the percentage. Di ba, may saying si Warren Buffett, no? Everyone is in greedy, be fearful. Everyone is fearful, be greedy. With good companies, di ba? So kung masyadong mataas na yung market, that's the time na magbenta-benta ka na. Huwag ka nang maging greedy na, may tataas pa yan. Doon ka na kasi masyadong euphoria na. May magbebenta at mauuna. The question is, do you want to be the last? Diba? The question is, do you want to be the last? Kung mungat pa yan, okay, at least nauna ako nagbenta. O, diba? So, or kung take profit ka kalahati, okay pa din. No? So, in general, guys, it always goes back to you as an investor, your plan as an investor to begin yourself with an end in mind, and your selling tips, your selling techniques mo. Because selling is an art. This is just a guide. You can play around with it. This is just a guide. It's really more into setting a target, totality of the market, and you. Ang mixture niyan. So that's it for tonight for our lesson. Of course, paano natin papaganahin tong ating raffle for tonight? Tingnan natin. Kasi how about ipa-comment na kaya natin, no? For tonight, may nag-request. Comment your names on the chat box. Mamimigay tayo ng 5 Starbucks, 200 pesos, worth 1,000 pesos. For those who stayed with us by 10:30 before we go review. So, since hindi na ako marunong comment picker, itulat nyo lang yung pangalan nyo at i-share nyo tong live na to. I'm happy with that. Okay? I'm gonna wait for it. Let's have a review. Tingnan natin muna. Okay. Dinown-degrade nila ako. Sa this one, good na siya. Okay. Raymart. Ayan. Ayan, mga gusto ko. Tingnan natin yan. Ang mga ano na yan. Okay. Paano ba natin ito? Copy natin itong mga to. Yan. Wala. 5. Mamimigay tayo. Share nyo lang ang aking live. Yan. E. Regel. ER. Noel. Ito yung dati ko ginagawa eh. Okay. S. Mark D. Lou. S. Army Lab. 5 Starbucks. Ang pamimigyan natin. Lemuel M. Tito Robles. John Ko. Dapat may Gcash ha? D-Boy Tads. Ran. T. Ian. Adrian. Grabe. Si Vince, before, ano lang to ni Vince eh. Meron siyang lugi no? Ma'am. AC, Mark D, MD Wong, Ryan Zinahon, Evelyn. Ano? Okay lang yan. Evelyn, ma'am. Ayusin natin. Mamaya. Evelyn, Demar, Arman, Chris B, Leonilo T, Ren, Reginald. Thank you for sharing, guys. Thank you for sharing. Carl M. Ayan. Ayan. Alea C. Raymond L. Okay na, Carl. Tapos na ako kay Carl. Yeah. Okay, Carl M. Ayan. I think 32. 50%. Tingnan natin. Sort. Tingnan natin kung may doble. Harman Amin. Okay, Jabo. Jemmar. Okay. Okay. Noben. Tingnan natin si Noben. Let's have a game. No? 5 people will win Starbucks tonight. Okay, on our Elite Club. Okay, sa Elite Club, kanina, pinapaset order tayo ng mRNA. Tingnan natin to sa mRNA. Nasaan na siya ngayon? Wala pa siya. Ito, pero pwede na tayo test by later. AMC is something also that pinapano tayo dito. Tinitingnan tayo. na ipinano na siya dito. And what else? Sa Elite Club. Wala pa. O yan. A-Mart. O, sige, habol natin itong mga kaibigan natin. Yan. Noben. Tapos na Noben. P. Paul. L. A-Mart. Salazar. Yan. Okay, let's check this out again and sort this out. Okay, good. Okay, so 5 na pamimigay natin. Alright guys, before we of course, tingnan natin ang performance ng ating mga robot. Di pa nagtitipin sa akin but my Izanagi is up by 2 tot. Kailangan ko nga ito ulitin eh. Nag-update siya but this is 230%. Kung titingnan mo, roughly, this is automated. January 18, it was up profit by almost 150,000 pesos. So with the profit of 227%. When we launch Izanagi in the public, we're up by almost 60%. Started nung July 9. We put a $250, then ginawa natin 500. So we're earning by almost 10,000 pesos. July 9 to November 3. Yan. Doble yung Nobel. Sige, thank you. Makikita naman yan later. Valkyrie natin for our long term is up by 13%. Doing good for our Valkyrie. Started nung October, number 1. And si Mode 1, Mode 2, with 50% risk, is up by 13%. Tama, 13%. Mode 1 ito pala, Mode 1. Okay, 12% for our Mode 1 only. And for our less conservative Valkyrie is up by 4%. Very, very good. So, yan. I said angat ni 4%. Okay, that's our robot. You can check this out on wiseinvestorsph.com. For more details, libre lang po yung robot natin. You just need to make and join us, earn in this platform. No? Yan, ito lang mga robot natin. This is the starting to fund. This one. So, yan lang ang ating dyan. Watch the video description and suited for your personality for more details. And of course, our masterclass natin, if it's gonna start with the new batch, link batch, next week already. Next week na to. No? Andito naman ang long-term investing, technical analysis, other trading settings. Andyan na yan lahat. I-execute mo na lang. And last but not the least, guys, if you're haven't invested in the US market, you can click US stocks, my Go Trade dyan or eToro account para makita ka. And on the Elite Club, let me show you my port sa Trade Calls account. No? Yung binibigay ni Elite Club. So in the Elite Club, you can have all the pro details like trade calls on the US stocks, trade calls on the Forex stocks, everything, no? Yung mga pinakita ko kaninang data, nandyan yan. Every monthly report is all there with a minimum subscription fee because before it was sponsored by eToro but right now wala na. So, sino nagbabayad ng mga informations na yon, diba? So, yun ang isang help na kasi lahat kami gumagamit yan eh, no? Paano ba to? Ano bang high risk HR to? Yan. Okay, ito yung trade calls natin. Kung ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys. Yan. Yan, pakita ko sa inyo trade calls natin. Portfolio. History. This year. Okay. Let me screenshot this one. Okay, ito yung trade calls natin dyan almost every day. Meron dyan, this is one. Kung titingnan nyo, this is 88% profitable. With kita nyo, with 138 trades, may dalawa pang green na hindi kinulos. This year, it's 27% gain. Yung trade calls sa US stocks na binibigay everyday ni Elite Club. Yung mga latest, kita nyo. So, 88% win rate, profitable. Another one there is yung ipinakita ko sa inyo. Ito. Yan. So, yung mga ganitong reports, you can check this out on the Elite Club. Ito yung mga trade calls. Yan, check nyo lang dyan sa Elite Club. And meron tayong mga premium watchlist. So, ito yung 2020 dito. Maganda rito. Sabi kanina, may target na siya. So, titingnan mo dito yung by target. Dito. Yan. Saan yung mga target natin dito? No, hindi ako maka-request. Pero anyway, may mga watch list na to at the beginning of the month. Pag binili mo siya on the specific day, na-reach mo yung target percentage, beta mo na. So, meron siyang long period of days of holding. Then, usually, by month siya binibigay sa mga members. So, isa yan. So, at least dito, walang tapon. And trade calls ng Forex is also here. Yan, is also here as well with 90% win rate. No, with 90% win rate. So, you can try this out. Check the elite benefits on here and read it as you go along. So, yeah, you can do your research on the Elite Club subscription. All right. So, with that, yung nag-request, since I already said yes to you, and for everyone, we will give ito pala, yung mga profit pala ng mga robots, no? So, let me just give you some examples ng mga nag-profits ng robot. Yan. So, una natin, tingnan natin to, isang Starbucks winner. Draw lot na natin to. Yan. Ang ating first winner on our first Starbucks is si Mark D. Please screenshot this one, Mark. Yan. Please screenshot and send your GCash on this page. You win 1 Starbucks tonight. So you can have your coffee tomorrow worth 200 pesos. Birthday gift ni Elite Club sa akin. Yan. Okay. Alright, teka lang ha. Pakita natin. Yan, okay. So, screenshot this one, Mark. Mark D. Yan, okay. Tingnan natin dito. Mark, congrats. Alright, there you go. Another winner natin tonight will be... Yan. Si Coach. Galing ah. Swerte bang Starbucks si nanonood sa YouTube. Oh, yan. Congrats. Yan. Alright. There you go. So, second winner natin is yan. So, let me just read you guys the current users ng mga robots. Yan. This one. So, you have a gain week challenge each month. Ito yung mga kinita ng robots. Alis ito yung sa akin. Last month, I earned a total profits of 1,400 on each account. And this is the profits ng mga sumali. Let me just read some of it. So, dito. Yan. With 55 dito. Tingnan natin dito. Ma'am Johanna earns $136. October gains. Congrats. So, hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy ito. Talagang iniingatan namin ni Jay na talagang kailangan perform, update, backtest every week. Yan, isa yan, ang galing, no? So, dito lahat ng mga winners, you can check this out, guys, yung mga nag-profit ng Izanagi robots natin dito. So, basahin nyo lang dito, naglo-load siya. So, yan. Okay. Next natin na winner for tonight, syempre, na-miss ko to eh. Dati sponsor to ni eToro eh. Dati guys, mamimigay ako 5 milk tea per live. So, 5 milk tea per live. So, mga 1.5 a week. Sponsor ni eToro yun. So, tinigil ni eToro yung support. Hindi, wala na akong maipamigay. Ayan. Every day, every live yun, MWF. 5 winners ng milk tea and Starbucks. Okay, ngayon may Starbucks tayo dito. Yan, congrats for these people here. Tingnan natin ang other. Yan, ito yung mga gains sila. So, si Sir Valkyrie 1 yata to. Yan, conservative. Si Sir, ito, lakas ito. Oh. Lakas oh, Valkyrie Mode M2 and personal trade. Talaga nag-trade siya ng todo. Lot size pa lang, bongga na. Oh, Izanagi CJ. Parang this week lang yata na earnings na yan. So you can check out these people here. You can PM them. Kung how is their experience. So Jorandel is 2.5 last month. Para ka nagpa-axi, no? ang ginawa mong manager si Izanagi, no? Oh. Alea 5,000 pesos. Hindi na 'to bibigyan ng milk tea. Lakas na kinita ni sa Ma'am Alea. Oh, di ba? Si Vince trade calls, no? 15,000, di ba? Oh. Lakas, no? So, Sarap basahin. Okay yan? Of course, ilagay din na natin ang ating remaining winners. Ang remaining winners natin ay si Arman. Arman, you screenshot this one and you won a Starbucks for tomorrow. We will send it to your GCash. Please send us the GCash as well. Yan. Of course, our last winner for tonight. Okay, pag hindi ka pa nanalo sa live ko, tapos matagal ka na ng kailangan mo maghugas ng kamay. Okay? Kasi parang kailangan swertihin ako. Parang never pa ako nanalo, no? Of course, by the way guys, sikreto lang. Naghihingi ako ng mga sponsor sa December. Sa natin, anniversary. Nag-ano ako ng paraffle na malaki. Okay? Sana may magbigay. Joke. Para sa inyo. Isa yan, nanghihingi na. Papasa na akong letter ngayon, maaga pa. Para sa live natin. Okay. Last natin winner for tonight. Before we end the live, of course, and we can actually for tonight, si Ian Adrian. Ian Adrian. Please screenshot this one, guys. Here's our winners for tonight. Starbucks 200 pesos for these people on your screen. Si Coach April, si Rizel, Arman, Ian, and Mark is our winners for tonight. Yan, meeting kami niyan and yun. So, nagdagdag ka na kay XRP. Definitely, dapat magdagdag tayo kay XRP tonight. Definitely, yan yung mga winners natin. Please screenshot and send it to PMR page. We can send it to your GCash. Alright, so tingnan natin. Tingnan natin ngayon ang summary ng ating live for tonight. Ang binigay natin ng mga stock is this one. Set order mRNA at $357 because of the third booster. Third booster catalyst ni mRNA. AMC is titingnan natin because of seasonal strength. No? Another one is, ano ba isa? Ito, may napatingin ng MQ. No? MQ, pag nag-trade above ulit yan, pwede. NMDM, if magkaroon ng green candle closing above, pwede rin to. Tingnan natin yung mga nasa watch list natin. No? Sino pa isa? DKS. Kung yung bumili ng DKS yesterday, grabe, ang galing. Good job. Okay, dapat ito basahin to ni XM, baka naman, sponsor, di ba? No? Hopefully, no? Okay, ano pa ba yung natin? Ethereum. Kaya Ethereum, hindi si Ethereum, no? XRP. Uy, dagdag na ba ako? Di pa nagko-close above Pero kung nag-hold siya ng ganyan, pwede na ito i-test buy. Pero gusto ko close above this to, guys. Ayan, close above sa price action na yan. So, magkaroon ng follow-up buy on the next few hours, pwede to for XRP, magbumili, magdagdag. Isa yan sa tinignan natin kanina. Ano pa ba? Ano pa bang inana natin? If you can remember, ano pa ba yung inana natin? mRNA. Ano pa ba yun? Yung isa, ano pa ba yung binili natin kanina, if you can remember, guys? Wala na, no? So far, yun ang mga nakita natin, no? Yeah, yung unit, yung LSID. Ito, dapat hindi to kalimutan. Ayan, yung bumili kanina, 4% na. Nasa 1% lang kanina to So, sinong bumili nito, guys? 1% lang to kanina, pero pwede pa to entry within the day. Ano lang to, iintay lang ulit ng pullback kasi nag-resistance sa 30 minutes So, nag-resistance dito, possible buying is around this area, within this range, within today. Ayan, yung bumili nito kanina, congrats. Sinong bumili nito? Yan. So, Lucid. Sabi ko, buy na to today. BB must trade above this breakout. So, nag-false breakout siya Test buy may be considered at this very moment. At least mas mababa yung cut loss point mo. Pero gusto natin mag-close to si BB above this range. Yan, ito. Gusto natin mag-close dito. Para talagang confident tayo na buy point to. So if test buy may be considered with a 5%, 6% risk for trading for this one. Ano pa ba? UNP. Tapos na tayo UNP, no? And also, guys, yung sinabi ko kanina, yung Russell 2000, look for your stocks there. Definitely you will not going to be wrong sa mga stocks doon. Hanapan mo lang na magandang mga fundamentals doon. So with that for tonight, thank you so much for tuning in. Of course, in terms of my portfolio this year, tingnan natin in general to. Okay, ang mga laggards ko dito is still Ray. Hindi pa nakakatos crowd strike ko. Position trades ko, I'm having a burn money for this one. I'm accumulating to ACB. ACB is still my accumulation. Yan. Okay ako dyan because tingnan mo, sobrang holding na yan, no? So, accumulation ako dito until January. Pag di pa to nag-breakout January, I will let go of that. NMDM, meron ako NB Core Boost. OG, ito hindi ko na ito ikakatlos kasi ito yung mga lilipad, possible, no? So, this is my port. Ito, free asset. Last year pa to. So, ito mga yan, income ko na yan sa kanila. So, pinabayaan ko na lang, profits na siya. Yan ang profits ito. Problema lang nito is times 1, times 1, times buti na lang. So, pre-assets. So, at kinita ako, tinanggal ko lang yung kapital. Alibaba, bumili rin ako first buy. NIO is also a buy within the range. Buy signal range pa siya. And also, I'm doing momentum on oil. And the rest, free assets sa crypto. Honestly, kung titignan mo yung port sa high risk ko, pang ano no? Pang ano siya. How to claim the prize, please PM the page. Okay? Screenshot your name doon na na-share mo yung stream. Then, we can give your report. So, yung report na to was definitely no? Crypto na free assets majority. Yung long-term investor ko, pang long-term investing ko, at least I'm up by 4% this year. Pang long-term to, ito yung aking highly invest on Alibaba. And the rest are 1%. Ang mga binili ko dyan. So, highly invest on Alibaba siya. Sobra nga, overexposed pa din, no? Yeah, there you go. So, yan ang aking port. Dalawang port ko so far. This is my aggressive one, yung which I'm let you see on my screen. Ayan, for this one. Alright, so for tonight, I would like to say thank you again for this opportunity to trade with you guys. I'm gonna see you on Friday. This is John, your host. Of course, now may the market be with you always. By the way, hopefully, yung i-invite ko, one of my students in the XRP batch earns multiple hundreds of thousand in the Forex world. Currently, interviewin natin siya. Student pa siya. Student in, I think, UP Los Baños, UPLB ata. Hindi ko sure kung UPLB ba. Si Vince yata doon eh. Okay? Interviewin natin siya how she mix trading and schooling and earns that big in trading. So, possible yan na maging guest natin for Friday. Alright? Na ipaparaffle natin doon naman yung mga Izanagi users natin 500 each on 5 person. So, watch that out on Friday. May the market be with you always. This is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. God bless and have a good night. Thanks, guys.